Perfect. So obviously, Hamza, we are not qualified enough to assess you on your technical skills. Obviously, our job here is to connect you with the hiring managers. So all we have for now is the job description, which I've already shared with you. So Talha is here to support on this in this call to basically ask you some of the generic or bookish kind of .NET relevant questions, which were provided to us by the client. So these are basically shortlisting questions, so they will understand that what level that you are in. So how comfortable are you as far as the job description is concerned?
I'm totally comfortable with the job description. There's no issue as such. So I
Okay,
think so that we should proceed with the interview.
perfect, perfect. So yeah, a couple of things I just wanted to get it out of the way before I hand it over to Tala, so he can continue with this technical assessment. You already said that you are comfortable with the time and the on-site requirement. So, once everything goes well from our side and we are, happy to make you an offer, there are a couple of clauses that we discussed before that are mentioned on the employment agreement. So it's a basic and simple employment agreement, but there are a couple of clauses we discussed beforehand, so there are no surprises. One is the commitment clause, which basically says that while working for us, once you become a full-time employee, which is after 1 month of probation, we expect you to stay with us for at least a year's time. So that's the commitment that we expect you to honor. The second is the exclusivity, which basically says that while working for us, you will not be working anywhere else, like like freelancers or a second job or a part-time role. So you are okay with those two clauses, right? Perfect. So Tala, I would like to involve you to carry on with your screening questions, please.
All right. Thank you, Asim. Hello, Hamza. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
All right. Perfect. Okay, Hamza. So let's start from a short introduction of yours, and I'll let you know regarding your experience and your current roles at your current employment and what you have done so far in your previous employment as well.
Right. So I had done this my graduation from Muhammad Ali Jinnah University.
Mm-hmm.
Then I moved to an internship where I had been working for service support. So they were not technical. I was not doing technical job over there. So I was looking for job, and then I found my job in HBL, where I was working on their product known as Back Office, and the Back Office was created on .NET Web Form. And so I was working on .NET Web Form and exploring Oracle database. I was working on some SPs also. My main goal was to work on some client side issues and to make the SP on the requirement of the product. Hence, I was working on their product, which was used in call centers and stuff. Then I moved to Mazik Global, where I'm working currently, and my product, then their product is Odyssey, which is a client of Tyler. Uh, Tyler is a US based company. They work for law enforcement. Now, Odyssey is an old product, so hence I have not been working on .NET Web Form or .NET Core, but I'm working on .NET frameworks and some old technologies like VBScript, HTM, and XLS, XML. So the thing is that my requirement to shift the company is that I'm working on some old stack, hence I would like to experience new things and new product. So this is all from my side.
Mm-hmm. All right. So my understanding is in Winklin, you were employed by Winklin and
Yeah, yeah,
HBL was your client. So HBL was
yeah.
the only bank that was their client, or you were providing your
I
services with
was
some.
shifted to the bank and we were
Mhm.
working for HBL. So we had two things. The one was Oracle and one
Mhm.
was web forms. Web
Oh,
form ASP.NET, ASP.NET web form.
okay, all right. And how's your experience on MVC, regardless in any of your company?
For MVC, I have not experienced MVC yet, but I have been doing some courses and certificates to have grip on MVC. So yes, I have worked on MVC also. There's this product that I'm making, right, not product but a project that I'm making for a demo, my demo purpose. and will publish soon on GitHub as soon as it is finished. So yes, I have some experience on MVC also.
Okay, so what's that project is actually about? Like, are you
It's
creating an application?
yeah. So the project is just a fancy project, a demo project, like a dating app, where
Hmm.
where we have users who will be connecting with each other to and will be messaging each other so that they can have a proper conversation. Just like the way that dating app works, we can have female users and male users who are separate, and female users can contact those male users and stuff. So that's the project that I was creating.
Okay, and you were also developing the APIs and
Yes, the
doing
project is
doing the
yeah.
integrations as well.
Yes. I was using .NET Core in that with Angular. So the main thing that I will be doing, I was doing in that project was making API and connecting with the framework with the front end. So
Mhm.
that's what I was doing in that project.
Okay, and may I know which version of Angular you were using?
It's Angular 16, the current version.
Okay, and apart from Angular, do you have experience with any other language or framework of for the
Uh,
front end?
I
For
Yeah, it's been 2 years since I last had the experience of working on React, as I had this project that I created for my own for my own course. So yes, I have also experience on React, and I just
Mhm.
need that overview. 'Cause then inshallah, then it's soon, then I will be able to work on that product.
Okay, and apart from Oracle, do you have used any other database?
Yeah. In Mazik we are using SQL, MS SQL. So yes,
All right. Okay.
database. Yes.
Mhm. Yeah, you were saying something.
No, I was not saying. I just
Okay. So as while going through your resume, and I can see in your education section, you have already mentioned the name of your university, that is Maju, but you haven't mentioned the program or the which degree you have, acquired there.
um I have not mentioned that. Let me
Yeah.
see my resume.
Yes.
Let me just rephrase it. If it's not mentioned, it's not mentioned. Sorry.
No
So
issues.
I have done BScs from Maju. I will update the resume. Thank you for
Mm.
pointing out that point.
Yeah, no issues.
So that I
No.
mean, I just saw that. I thought that I
Okay.
have mentioned that.
Okay. All right. Hmm. Okay, and a few things which I must, you can say, need to reconfirm as Mr. Atem already, discussed initially. So, are you comfortable? Again, I want to confirm: are you comfortable in on-site role plus US-based timings, US time?
I'm comfortable as long as I can have the learning exposure of new technologies. So I am comfortable.
Okay, and may I know where you are residing, in which area of Karachi?
Currently in Federal Bay area, uh, block 13. It's near
Okay,
this. Yeah.
and you have your own conveyance as well.
Yeah. I have my own bike and my car also. So
Perfect.
convenience is not an issue.
Okay, so now moving forward, I want to discuss the most important part, which is actually compensation, or you can say salary. So, if you don't mind